Local? Okay, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's probably as far as the survey to see, what people are. And the last one will be at the top.
Identify with the conduct.
So if you don't mind, if you don't mind me teaching you for a minute, if you don't mind me teaching for a minute, do I have your permission? And here at Currency Traders Club, we did the master itself, or trading at night. That was a teacher sitting back here. You see this guy right here? Can you see him back here? Don't know ourselves. Don't know ourselves. We have when the students ready. When the students ready, the teacher will arrive. The teacher will arrive. Not that I know. Who they're coming? Not that I know. Who they're coming? Kelly. Go ahead.
Yes, right on, family.
Man, what you talking about, man? I mean, this like what? We'll talk back in a specific time. Pull this up. Right. Hold on one second. You gotta give me 1 second. Let me go on mute for a second. Let me get this going. There we go. Need to get this recording going. We're just gonna have to record through Zoom then. What for?
Can we make some money?
What for?
Can we make some money off of it? That's what.
I didn't. It coincidental range. So we have the market open 24 hours a day, big time. So what I like to show people is how to. A 3-day setup is simply this: Monday, day number 1. Okay. You'll have where the market sets the range. We're just gonna say for Monday's low. All right. Make the trade. Now watch this. I'm gonna leave it right there. I ain't gonna go too much deep into that. Now I'm gonna test y'all anyway. Let me get my pen. 1. So if Wednesday the count starts, look bad. We got new students here answering the question as soon as she come in here. Y'all ain't been in here. Come on, man. Y'all come on. Don't give me. Wednesday also does what? And a new high. Want to span the low.
Or are we looking for
at least 1? Now, when you have an expansion out there, say it again now. Which is good, of course. But when you can't got that yet.
Oh, okay.
Now I'm impressed. All right. But that is and the same high of the week. On Fridays, I'm saying this several times, on Fridays, it's also a trick question. Who knows what the lunch hour is? What's the normal lunch hour?
12 o'clock.
To what?
12 to 1?
Everybody, that's what you would think. 12 to 1. But in the markets, the lunch hour is from. So what you do is, let me add another one. Let me see. Add a new one. Where's it at? I just copied it, man. I need a new one. 12 and 1:30. Are your best? Same thing over, huh? Specific time on Fridays because this is specific. We wait
So
for.
on Friday, you're looking for the high of the week and the low of the week, and that's your range. Is that
And 1:30.
okay?
Now this happened to be the high on 1:30 and 4:45. We want to make. Go ahead, just talk. What are you trading? If you write 45. And we take a trade we don't need the whole swing, we just need a good little chunk. And the best days of the week to wait for, Wednesday or Friday. But if you
get some money.
man, when I go back and look at my statistics, man, I don't know what it is. Like I said, trading is a journey, man. Some Mondays on some fail. Them the ones you just move your stop loss in the property, keep on just letting it go on a Thursday, because sometimes the day 3 will roll over to Thursday. But just like I said, Wednesday, Friday, all day long. I'm telling y'all this. Now, why don't nobody do it? I ain't gonna even do it. I know it. Up to snuff on the stages. So how you say that, Saint or male? It really don't matter. Just speak if you can.
Dr. Gilbert.
Oh, Dr. Gilbert, you know what it is?
Yes.
Okay. How you doing, Dr. Gilbert? I just try to nod at people when they jump in. Now, 2, 3 setup, that was kind of advanced, but I'm gonna show y'all how to bring it all together in a minute. So, for the one,
I have a little bit of.
oh, you do?
Yeah, I have a little bit of prior knowledge. Looking at the charts.
Okay. Well, if y'all thought that was simple,
Right.
this about to be real simple, but powerful.
That and
It'll look like kindergarten, but it'll be like one of the most powerful things you probably learned. It'll look like kindergarten right there.
yeah, that's parabola.
All right, so the market moves in stages. First off, let me get I'm gonna stay neutral for right now. Let me get a gray color right quick. How many stages are there?
4.
4 stages. Yeah.
2,
Top side, what we got?
3,
Right side, what we got?
4.
That makes a complete what? Let's get a different color. What stage? The one we look to buy in.
2,
Who said 2 and 4?
4.
So, what do we set up?
Relax.
Watch this. Day 1, day 2, day 3. I ain't gonna go that far. Prices are moving where? That's fine. Do everybody?
Yes.
Okay. If you don't, we're here to make money. So we're gonna talk about all this. If you are, or if you recognize something that isn't, I don't know if you're there or not.
Nah, I would say no.
Okay. And we recognize something is in stage 1.
Stage 2.
Simple. I mean, it's 1, 2. Now,
Stage 4.
stage 4.
Stage 4, 7.
7. Option game, it get kind of, well, either all types of technique you can do in either one of them, but we ain't gonna go too deep into the option. Dropbox. Plain Jane. Go to the dollar yen. All right, so let's pick on dollar yen right quick. Daily chart on 1 hour chart. Does dollar yen look like on a
It's in 2 right now.
overall? You showing out. I appreciate it though. You showing out. See? Prices are moving up. My friend, let's go out to our hourly chart. Refresh. Volatility, all this whipping.
Yeah, I'm
back.
still here.
Okay, see all this volatility right here? Definition of what, I mean, you can get in there and try to make something happen, but this is all the dollar yen guru. I loved it. But when I started looking at other stuff and how smooth it moved, I said, why am I making it harder on myself? Mastering self. Because sometimes we think it's a challenge. I agree with that, man. Why would you say that?
In the stops. I'm
Oh,
sorry.
okay.
Datum don't matter in the market.
Okay. You can like really, what stage we got right here? Across here right here. Boy, if we at the bottom, we ain't trying to trick nobody.
It's not Japanese candlestick.
Name it out. D. Right, that's a quick 1, 2, quick 3, 4. Now, situation of what? 4. Possibly breaking out to what?
2.
2. So once you kind of recognize what stage you're in, you can take advantage of it. I like Bitcoin because of course it moves. That's what I mean by smoothing, Jack. I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. We got Bitcoin. All right, let's refresh both of them. 1 hour, 1 hour. So you see how Bitcoin is kind of like smooth moving down, obviously down, sideways, obviously down, sideways, and obviously up. I would rather trade something that's a whole lot smoother. I'm gonna come back to that in a minute. Give me another pair. Or stock, it don't matter. Stock pair, it don't matter. I'm gonna go to one of my watch lists. The one that's moving the market right now, but they hold the biggest holding in NASDAQ. I mean not Netflix, my fault. I'm sorry. Entering.
Phase 3, 4.
3.
Phase 4, all day long. No question. The NASDAQ, all day long. They pull up the NASDAQ. What stage the NASDAQ in? What stage was it in? How do we go? 4. We don't know. This could be what kind of pattern. Somebody called it out. Keith, you called it out. What kind of pattern this could be?
Red flag.
Bear flag.
There'll be Bear flag.
Correct.
Flag.
When you reckon, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all this, but I shouldn't give y'all this at all, but I'm gonna give it to y'all anyway. First of all, is everybody in here familiar? If you're not, that's okay. If anybody familiar with chart patterns, as far as double tops, double bottoms, and all that type of stuff, are y'all? Jack, wait, you said no. Let's do this then. Let me do this on the computer. Where is it? No, we can do it on this. Y'all know the stages now. Still, bull and bear market. Okay, you already. We have two types of patterns: reversal patterns or continuation patterns. We're gonna do the reversal patterns. What kind of pattern this is right here? Call it out.
That's a double bottom.
Double bottom. All right.
Double bottom.
Double bottom.
Price to move up.
Price to move
That's
up.
a reversal.
A reversal for price to start moving where? Up.
Up.
Vice versa of a double bottom, we have what?
Double top.
When we see a double top, we're anticipating price to move where?
Down.
Down. Now watch this. Without me even telling y'all, 1 and 3. So when you see chart patterns, well, let me back up. That's why we recognize what stage we in. Double bottoms, reversal patterns. That like this is stage 3. What chart patterns I should be looking for? Double top. Now, force feed. Hope you remember that one. Boom. That's gone. Now, we have what they call a bull flag, where price is moving up, it comes down a little bit, and it continues moving up, right? And you have what they call a bear flag. When price is moving down, it bounces up a little bit because price doesn't go down, then it continues moving down. They call those continuation patterns. All right, bull flags. Stage 4. Now watch this. Draw the whole bell curve. That's how it looks. That's where the bell curve come from. Double bottoms, bull flags, double tops, bear flags. Start back over again. So when I say look at what you're trying to in that direction of the stage. Like something. What were we looking at toast for? Why were we looking at toast? You remember this? Why we had toast on?
The toast last was a week ago.
I think I said it was a good trade. Let me see if I got more. Oh yeah, right, yeah. Oh, the girl that was on, she was looking at some calls. I said, yeah, that would be some good calls. But what stage we in still on a daily 3, but pole flag 1 minute. WH. I think this the one when she said something about the analysts were telling her to buy. Ever since then, them days down. Anyone y'all want to pull up online? Y'all put
The ice. They got all the money.
talking about this.
He got to be cheap.
We look like we just broke out of. Boom, 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 busting his head. I don't know what happened right there. Something major happened. Stage 4, correct. Stage 4.
That's a big gap.
Real big. Extreme selling, extreme buying, extreme buy orders or extreme sell orders. So what happens in the morning, you can actually come in here probably about on the stock side. You can come in here and click a different stock or open up whatever stock you want. What I do is, since I know Netflix, I keep on saying Netflix, NVIDIA is moving the markets to kind of get a leg up of what market may be doing. I'll go see what NVIDIA doing. And it'll have let's say for example, I see an orange, they're going to say pre-market open, either way down here or way up here. That is extreme orders that came in during the overnight session that can't get filled until 9:30. So for example, they may have a lot of buy orders that came in higher than 135 over the weekend. I mean, not over the weekend, doing overnight markets. But those orders can't be placed until 9:30. So now, when the market opens, it has, that for example, 10,000. Them 10,000 orders open, it's gonna shoot the market up to 137. So it's gonna skip 135 all the way to.
Who's made 10,000 people put that order in? Or
No, it could just be people they call it 10. I said 10,000 specific because they call 10,000 in the stock market what they call a block order.
But you don't teach that.
No, because we technicians, we don't really. I mean, all this stuff, the intricate that go behind it. Let me put it like this: me breaking down what a block is and all that type of stuff. You can use that little brain matter to focus more on.
Something that's gonna make
Exactly. It's serious. See, thank you. I'm real deep on real deep on this. I don't have to do for what I gotta learn what a block is. What does it matter? I mean, it's good to know, good coffee, conversation. Man, man, I talk about guy. He was talking about blocks. I thought he was talking about something else, but he was talking about the actual blocks in the stock market. I didn't know a 10,000 order, a 10,000 stock or share order is a block.
He might not even know how to read price charts.
That's fine. He knows now that all he knows is a block. He learned what a block is. And so when you sit down and learn what a block is, you have something to say? Okay. All right. So that's kind of how a gap works. So we use it, but we don't use it as a trade-off for it. Now,
Wait. This you don't use a lot, but you still live by what the smart got from somebody dumb.
so for example, that's me and Charles, they were just talking in the club, whatever we was at, the bar, whatever, and he learned what a block is. Now he's thinking, oh, the price is going to go low, so I'm going to buy some. So they buy, right?
Oh, because he bought on the deal.
Facebook. What stage is this in?
3.
What are we doing stage 3?
Chill, relax, cut grass.
Smart money, take the dumb money. Hey, I didn't make the rule. I ain't trying to reinvent the wheel. But that's a classic. How that happened, just like that.
Because you're in the holistic part. Tell what happens this person just bought on the deal.
Or it could be a triple top. 1, 2, 3. But if you want to go 1, 2, either way it go, stage 3,
2.
and that makes this a pole flag.
Just pretend you know the guy. How's he feeling?
So for one, buy more. That's the average.
Damn.
Oh man, I'm gonna sure don't get a deal on it. Man, it got to go.
Damn.
Listen, don't have to go back up, especially in the stock market. It has to come down. If they come down, that's how Gamble got on Bed Bath & Beyond 3 years ago. It just kept on going down, kept on going down, up. Okay, so now, who was that? Oh, he just came in for a second. Whoever that was came in.
So I told him to look at a stock I bought because this rapper was in it. Buy some more. And Gamble and Roll was standing over my shoulders, and I was like, "What's going on?" They started laughing. I was like, "I can't get out of it because I won't get my money back." They was like, "Well, if you keep staying in it, I'm trading live. I got all this money in it," and they're just laughing at me. This is the part where we had to test our friendship. They thought it was funny. It wasn't funny to me.
Hey, so Rich, I got a question.
It's not
Go ahead.
funny. It's gonna be money.
Yeah, go ahead,
It's not
Jeffrey.
funny.
We're in stage 3.
Okay,
Where
okay
would
with the
you
market
wanna
talk.
wait?
Okay, I like that. Go ahead, say it again now. Say it one more time. I'm sorry. I'm gonna cut you off. I like you saying stage 3. Go ahead. Thanks. So obviously I drew that box for a reason, right?
You do what?
I drew that box up there for a reason.
We're in the zone.
We're in what retail call it breaks outside of that box, and preferably 2 closes either on the upside or the downside. Simple. Why? Because this is so price. Don't do it. Don't you do it. I know you're thinking about it.
No, I'm gonna say
Okay, good. What is the probability of a
Already close
It's
to
trending.
down, and it's almost down already, right?
it.
Right.
The last close.
I mean, is it on a what as far as the relationship or the percentages? What without even doing no numbers? There's just you can use a Fibonacci. Our price is below 50% of this range. Answer your question. We want to wait for a close below this pivot point right here, preferably 2.
So basically, you want to wait for it to close and like retest, I guess.
There you go.
Waiting for you to get in or no?
When they say, okay, come on. I'm like, okay, yeah. probably gonna watch coming up this week. It's nice. I like this. This is almost a perfect setup. Perfect. Now, if you wanna, if it, like you just said, it retrace back up to this 50%, and you trade options, I will be buying my strikes right here. Be real cheap. Once it break below 560 to go fill this gap right here, I'll probably triple my money by then. I'm done. Cool. Free. All day long.
My brother, what was your price tag? What was your price tag?
On what? And I'm saying, what am I trading? Options or what? I trade options to trade premium. It's not necessarily with illustration. Everybody got that. All right, so boom. Let me see, can I draw this up right quick? We're right here. We're gonna say for simplicity reasons, this price is 570, I think, and that price is whatever it is, 580. If price moves for that put, I might pay probably about $800 for that. The 570, this 800 might shoot to 895. That 800 might now be 1250. All right, this 565. All right. All I know is I put in 800. How much the 800 worth now? Plus 450.
450, yeah.
Minus what? $8 commission, I think. I'm out. I'm good. So when I say I trade premium, I'm looking to trade the premium. Now, who knows what's the main thing that's working against you? Price. But right now, I paid $800 for it. It broke out of stage 3. You know, it's a few dollars in the money. If focus on it, the more it's gonna eat up time, the more the gamma gonna eat you up, all type of stuff. So that's the deal. When I say further out in time, meaning not expire within a week. I like to trade weeklies. Expire within the next 1 or 2 weeks. I hope.
Crystal clear, brother.
All right, so let me go to what was the hills? This ain't no question about it. Who said 2? See, so let me put it like this. When I used to do the actually we got something coming up. When I used to do the seminars at the hotels and stuff, people come in, we read about it, who invested and all that type of stuff, and we say, okay, so we're giving the crowd an imaginary $100,000 on this side, imaginary $100,000 on this side. Who wants to invest after reading their perspectives, right? So now, after we take them through how to read the stages, what stage you want to buy, what stage you want to sell, on the same page or less on the same page?
Probably more on the same page.
More on the same page.
Educated.
But you have those outliers, and they look like, what? This is stage 4. What are you talking about buying? Well, I think that makes people think. So don't get mad. Just look at it like an eye-opening experience. Y'all know that. They do too. They just thinking.
Acorns. I'm gonna just go. So I'm gonna.
Even looking to buy stage 1. You can't go. It's real low. Like, man, just let me know how that work out, man. I'm serious. You'll lose your friend. I'm serious. What you gonna say, man? Don't put your money in it, though. Man, you don't know what you talking about, man. Exactly. Work out, man.
Now I called you
So
for
it's like the
Bible.
YouTube video with the little girl. Her dad is trying to. He's saying, "Roz, can I help you?" She's trying to get her car seat undone. She says, "No, you drive. Worry about yourself."
That's it. That's all you can. You know, I done lost out a lot of money. Hey, I'm thinking about buying some more. You go up and look at it like, dang, man. You know, hey. All the while you buying puts on, you making money. What you gonna say, man? You know, I actually sold this. Man, you breaking it. You betting against the economy, man. You want the economy. I don't know everything, but I do know you got to kind of change your mindset about how the whole economy works. Of course, nobody wants to see the economy go down, but it ain't that I want the economy to go down. But believe it or not, when the markets tank, that's what a lot of millionaires. Simple as that. But anyway, so.
And your boy Jesse Ledbetter.
Yep. When the market said that, when you just be, man. Okay, let me back. I went out off track. So bonds are breaking down. Now, if bonds, let me go to a higher time frame of this range we got right here, that high point. Now we go down here, man. You just got to be ready, be prepared, because the markets are out of sync. You would think it's not always guaranteed, but if that's not happening, something is out of whack. Another one that I like to use is IRR. Anybody ever heard of IYR? So what stage IYR may be entering in? This
That was a 1.
2. Remember, this is a monthly chart. So that's technically a 3. 1, 2. Cause look, 1, 2. Into the what stage? It's a monthly chart. That's all you need. 2, stage 2, possibly stage 3. So to get a more clear picture, that was the high point right there, right? That was the low point. See that? That was the low point, but now we just found it. Oh no, we got how many? Oh, this month, yeah, this is new month, so yeah. And you gotta be red coffee. I got Red Bulls. What that one?
Microdose.
No goodness.
Right, so you can stay awake.
Are you in the market, Dr. Gilbert?
She loves money.
Oh, she
So basically, you saying that. So you basically saying like with IYR, if IYR basically is entering into like a stage 4, then it's a good indicator that any other trade that we should be taking sell trades.
indicator, which is correct, like you just said. So to kind of get a feel on how the market. Remember how I was saying that everything is not in the bubble. Everything is kind of connected, right? So you would look at your IYR, see what's going on with IYR. Look at your SPY, which is the mother load. What stage is operating in right here?
2.
It's a weekly chart. Now watch this. Daily chart right here. See how it broke? It broke that. That was a stage what? What stage was this?
3.
Possibly stage 4 market. This is how you're gonna trade your options up in here. So to answer your question, you use broader markets to gauge what side of the market you want to be on, whether you're trading Forex, whether you're trading crypto, whether you're trading the stocks. You use your broader market to kind of gauge market. SPY is going to be one of your main ones. Another one, the financials, the big banks. See how everything kind of looking kind of the same-ish? All type of stuff. You look at your, I think it's XL, XLE. XL, is that it? Yeah, that's it, yeah.
So you're looking at these to look at the overall general.
Correct. Yeah, this how you kind of get. Where did that come from? That sounds like I learned that in school somewhere. Overlap of country. Is that a profession or something? There's like an analytic. Why that sound
I
like
don't know. I'm a former teacher.
Oh, okay. Okay, very
like a Venn diagram.
Yeah, that might be what they was talking about stuff like I'm like, man, what the hell is y'all talking about, man? But they were breaking it down like, man, well, I don't remember none of this stuff, and I don't take it to school. But anyway, that was a soapbox moment there. But I think I just had deja vu. XLI, the same, yeah. All of them kind of looking kind of the same-ish. That's now Bitcoin. Dr. Gilbert, let's say you already have a Bitcoin. She said that. Bitcoin. What stage? Stage 1 to stage 2. Okay, then we had that for. Bitcoin. What stage? Bitcoin. 23 already there. That would have been nice, but right now, it's just back and forth.
But if you a hodler, you know what I'm saying, and not a trader.
I'm gonna see you can answer that question for me, Tommy.
So what else?
Answer that question for me. So if you're a hodler, if you like want to hold on to Bitcoin, or you think you're in a good position,
So it's
we're above what?
up to the 50% line.
So you good. And we pressing up against the top.
So when you're talking about that 50% line, are you looking at percent then below the 50%? Like, how are you analyzing that 50%?
Cameron.
Probably get the kids out there when it's time
Karen.
to move. The kids,
Y'all done?
put your hands on the rebuild.
All right, I'm gonna wait.
Yeah. Put your hands on the rebuild.
Man, they got done fast. Dang. My little boy. So they another 15 minutes away, so he'll be all right. All right, so the highest point price trade was that right there. He's taking this box and just boxing out just for good visuals, and they giving me an automatic 50%. So a hodler will see this range prices above 50% of the range, and it's pressing up to possibly break where?
Oh, so the current
pressing up to the higher end of the range. A hodler would be, not that they probably would know, they're in good shape. Because even higher or that one higher?
Second.
It's higher, so prices are obviously moving well. Then you got another one right there. So we got 1, 2, 3 as prices are moving well. And we are over 50% of this range, and
You're not a
we're not getting
well
out.
selling.
Or selling, yeah. So yeah, that's what I'll be thinking about that. I didn't think he would get done that fast, fellas, but be done by 5, so I see
Now,
5.
we covered a lot today. For you, it's nothing, but I think for everybody in here, you know,
Everybody bring Google Jocko next Sunday is what? The 10th? Oh yeah, I'll be here.
we're gonna have
Any last minute question before we get out of here I'm gonna go get on the mat for a minute anyway. Anybody?
Yeah, you go over like what time frame would be the best to trade on, and which ones is the best to do the analysis on.
So
top down.
it's called what they call a tight. You really don't have to go no higher than an hourly chart for real. If you're day trading, hourly, 15-minute, 5-minute. I do my entries on 1-minute chart. Are you talking about decimal over time frame or a little bit higher? All right, so let's do
Whatever.
that. Let's go to your USD. This is a weekly chart. We're gonna go to. Let's start out with if we would. What stage obviously this is right here?
That's 4.
Four.
Back to
One.
one. Could be one.
We could be
Oh,
on
slow down. Watch this. See how y'all say could be one, but big pole and a possibly what? Flag. I always want to go to your flag first before you go to stage. This all the way over here. Okay, that's one. But right now it's 2. This is a daily chart. From your daily outlook, I would be looking for shorts right now. What stage it look like we're on the hourly chart? There's more 3-ish. And it's all over the place right now. I don't know what's going on. It must be something happened Friday, the last hour. But this is an abnormal candle. Very, very abnormal. But I'm still looking for possibly we had our 50% mark. I don't know the point I just draw it out. 50% mark, right? That will be your pullback for a.
It's got to come down.
Now, down to your 15-minute chart, what I call a bellwether. How many quarters? I didn't give y'all the answer. How many 15 minutes in an hour? 4 quarters. 4 15-minute intervals in an hour. So the reason why that's why I call my 15-minute my bellwether chart. Even on the 15-minute, it's still looking. They trade this right now. I don't know what happened on Monday. On Friday. During the last. That's crazy. Because obviously, what stage is all this is right here?
That's all too.
It's getting into the private side, way private side, the paid private side. The algorithm, it'll see all these people that's short making money. So what do you think they did?
Took it up.
Stop everybody out. Y'all should have got y'all money in. Y'all trying to hold it to the. Stop y'all out. We'll see y'all next week. We don't care. That's
I
but
had to buy all that to stop people out.
no.
Oh wow.
You see that? That's the algorithmic punch right there. Algorithmic punch. You should have been out. But to answer your question, daily. Day trade probably an hour. You can look at a daily chart to get an overall view. But hour, 15-minute, 5-minute. You don't have to go down to 1 minute, but 5-minute your entry. A longer time frame, daily. A lot of people don't do that high of a time frame because they can't
That's
hold
a
true.
5 minutes you on right now?
No, this is 1 minute. I just want to see what happened. That happened at 5 o'clock. See if it happened on anything else. What time it was? 1700. Yeah, 5 o'clock. I don't know what that was. Let's see what gold did. 1 hour. Ooh. Gold usually gonna be a safe haven, but gold look like it's doing what? Yeah, it's going down. Gold usually be a safe haven. But one of the mother loads that'll tell you what's really going on, you go to your dollar. DXY, where is it? DXY.
3.
Remember what we just said?
3.
That's a big old pole.
Could be a flag.
There we go.
She's bright now. She's projected like you. You're projecting.
But how long you been around this?
That's the.
Fatherlyhood, Paul. So I didn't think they're gonna be out of this early. So feel free to email you. I got any questions? I got a shoot over here, and I know they probably been working hard to keep it on this since 2.
Now you can follow us, and you can be chatting it up
I'm gonna
with
put
us
it.
as
Let me put it
well.
in here right quick.
Nas.io. It's an S.
Oh, yeah, it
It's
is?
in there at some point.
NAASTOFO.
No,
We see
no.
this
Oh shit.
Oh, got the
No
hot-
problem, sheet. Cut that out. And we will see y'all next to the